This is the Lindberg 3-zone tube furnace, model 54879. This is the largest tube furnace that Lindberg makes. This particular model is a 240 volt, 3-phase model, requiring a 90 amp service. It develops a power of 37,500 watts. It is separated into 3 zones. The central zone, which is surrounded by zone 1 and zone 3. The reason why there are 3 separate controllers is because there is a temperature differential between the opening of the oven and the rear of the oven. So these are individually slaved through here, so it can either increase the zone temperature here and here above or below the set temperature of the central or main zone. We've removed the sides and the front stainless steel plates. A good number of these are brand new ceramic heating elements. All of the wiring is fairly intact, and all brand new clips between the braided conductors have all been replaced throughout both sides. This particular oven will go up to 1,500 degrees C.